Is your Siemens EQ6 not dispensing coffee properly? Slow flow, no coffee, or just a few drops? That usually means the beverage outlet or milk system is clogged. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your coffee should be flowing smoothly again. Step 1. Check the spout for visible blockages. Wipe the coffee spout with a cloth to remove dried residue. If buildup is inside, use a cotton swab dipped in warm water to gently clean the nozzles. Step 2. Run a rinse cycle. On the machine, go to Menu, Cleaning and Maintenance, Rinse Appliance. This helps flush out dried coffee particles. Step 3. Deep clean the milk system, if used. Detach the milk suction pipe and run water through it. Soak all connectors in warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and reattach. Step 4. Clean the brewing unit. Open the right side panel and remove the brewing unit. Rinse it with warm water, no soap. If buildup is inside the piston, use a soft brush. Let it dry fully before putting it back in. Step 5. Run a descaling cycle if needed. If the problem persists, run the Calc and Clean program. Mineral buildup can block internal flow channels that only dissolve with descaling. Your EQ6 should now be dispensing coffee like normal. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance fixes. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next cup.